Software. In this video, we are going to understand how to modify or change the tenure in case of principal adjustment. I am searching a file, click loan, create a loan, click save. Loan number 627 is created. In this loan, the installment is created like this. Now, this loan is created based on flat interest. Now let's say I want to restructure this loan as per IRR. Then what I can do is I can change here from flat to IRR. Update, close, just reload the loan. Then go to installment, click here and change ROI. Keep 18 or whatever percent we want to keep. Let's say I'm keeping 18. Review ROI. Then this loan is restructured as per this. Just click apply. So the changes will be applied here. So this is one utilization of Change RoI feature. The second part is adjust the principal. So for example, the installment is 11,500 and customer is paying 20,000. So the remaining amount should get adjusted to the principal and then interest should get modified accordingly. So now I click here, then here interest rate will remain same, but this time I want to receive 20,000. So I want to do the projections in the installment tracker so that once the projections are done appropriately, then I can basically receive that amount. Now I will get an option whether I want to change the tenure or change installment amount. So let's say I want to change the tenure. It means if I am reducing in advance, then the tenure will get reduced. Okay. So for example, instead of 20,000, let's say I take 30,000 and then preview and adjustment. I click here. What will happen? The first installment will remain same and the remaining amount will get adjusted towards principal, and then one installment will be reduced. Total 9 installments, and the last installment will also get updated, and the rate of interest for all upcoming installments will be modified accordingly. Now I want to see the different impact. Let's say I want to change installment amount, keep the installment same but change the installment amount. It means reduce the installment amount. So if I click preview adjustment, what will happen in this case? The installment count may get increased actually, because we want to change the installment amount, that is reduce the installment amount. Okay, so in this case the structure is created accordingly. All right, so what I want to do is instead of change installment amount, I want to reduce the tenure in this case. All right, and then I click apply. This change is applied, and let's see how the installment tracker is structured this way. Now what I want to do is I want to receive that 20,000 or 30,000, sorry, that amount. So 30,000 and receive. When I go to installment and click here, it will be updated accordingly, and then the next structure will be perfect. All right. So in case you need any other change or modification, please write down in the comment section so that I can send you another video related to the same. Thank you so much. Have a great day.